Hello and welcome to Yoga with Maria. Today we are going to look at a tabletop position and then go into a sort of cat-cow type sequence. It's a really good exercise to warm up your back, get that back moving, make you feel kind of nice and loose. So let's start. So you just come onto your all fours. So with your knees, you're just checking that they are hip width distance apart, which means your hips, not anybody else's. And with your hands, just checking that they are below your wrists underneath your shoulders. So again, not too wide, not too narrow. And we're just going to start really using that breath. So you're going to inhale and take your gaze towards the ceiling, and then exhale, take that gaze towards your belly button, taking your chin towards your chest. And you can kind of take this in your own time. So it's going to inhale, and then exhale. And you can really take your time with this. You can take it much slower, really sort of engaging each vertebra, really concaving that back, getting into the shoulders. Or if you kind of want something a little bit more dynamic, you can speed that up, but all the time trying to connect that move with your breath. And then once you've kind of done a few of those, you can start to loosen it up. So you can really start to get into the back. A little thing I like to call disco cat. And you can do disco cat basically any day of the week. So it's just about loosening that spine. So you can start to bend the elbows, bend your knees. You can just kind of freestyle it. You can take a little look at your tailbone. And again, just all the time, trying to connect that movement to your breath. And just do some shoulder rolls. And then kind of once you feel kind of that your spine's nice and loose, you can just take that back into prayer position. So taking your bum down towards your heels, but don't worry if they don't reach. Even if you're just here, it's kind of wherever's comfortable, wherever fits for you. And keeping that forehead to the ground if you can, and lengthening those hands out in front of you. And again, just breathing into that space, into the back. And then bringing yourself back onto all fours, and then into a little comfortable seated position, and just finishing off with a couple of moments. Thank you. Namaste.